What if you could see your final grade while you shoot? With LUT Preview tools, you can. This tutorial shows you how to apply custom LUTs in the Blackmagic Camera App. We'll cover stylized looks, Rec. 709 conversion, and when to bake LUTs into your footage or leave them for post. The first selection is the LUT Preview switch. This toggle lets you flip between on and off. When you select on, you'll see your footage with color, contrast, and tone. When you select off, it'll show the flat, low contrast log image. And just a reminder, this is just a preview. It doesn't affect your footage unless you choose to bake it in. In the top left corner of your screen, just below the lens selector, you'll see a small label that says LUT. That means a lookup table is being applied to your preview. So that means that you're seeing a stylized preview, but your footage is still being recorded flat, unless you choose to bake that LUT in. One thing to note is that if the LUT icon is white, it's just a preview, meaning it doesn't affect your footage. But if the LUT icon turns red, the LUT is actually being baked into your recording. Next is loading custom LUTs. If you want to preview a branded look, a film LUT, or a Rec. 709 conversion in real time, you can load your own .cube files right into the app. You've got two selections to choose from. The first is built-in LUTs, which is the clean, natural looks included with the app. And then you've got custom LUTs, which is your own .cube files for a stylized or technical preview. To import a LUT, you first need to add the .cube file to your iPhone. You can do this by adding it to an iCloud folder. Then open the LUTs panel in the Blackmagic Camera app, tap Import LUT, and select your file. Next is Record LUT to Clip. This setting controls whether the LUT is just for preview or for permanently being applied to your footage. You have two options to select from, off and on. When it's off, which is the default, the LUT is visual only. And when it's on, the LUT is baked into your video. So it's very important to note that once it's baked in, there is no undo. Next is color space tag. This tells your editing software what color space your footage was shot in. Super important for correct color management in post. Choose the right tag that matches your format. If you're shooting an Apple log, tag it as Apple log. The other options are Rec. 709, Rec. 2020, and P3D65. This ensures apps like DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, or Premiere Pro interpret your footage exactly as intended. That's it for this part of the Blackmagic Camera App series. Now that you understand all about LUTs, up next we're diving into clip organization. Be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys.